Hey guys, what happened? I had to fix Twitter account locked issues fast. So first of all, what you need to do, go back to your screen and go ahead to Twitter contact. Search for Twitter contact or Twitter help center and go ahead to the first result. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the first option right here in the topics, locked and suspended account, right? And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and log in log into your account. It says right here you're currently not logged in or logged in to a X account that is not suspended or locked. Please log out and log in to your account that is suspended or locked account in order to submit this request, right? And once you log in with your credentials, you're gonna submit an appeal, right? Telling Twitter that I want to unlock my account, and they will walk you through the problem. Like maybe you need to verify your age, maybe you changed your name several times. So this is common reason why Twitter locks your account, because they think that you are not a human. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.